Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks maintains a list of all the items that affect payroll amounts, including payroll expenses, within the payroll item list. There are payroll items for compensation, taxes, other additions and deductions, and employer-paid expenses. QuickBooks uses payroll items to track individual amounts on a paycheck and accumulated year-to-date wage and tax amounts for each employee. When you set up payroll for your company in QuickBooks, many items are added to the list for you. However, you can also manually create others if you need them. You can view the current set of payroll items by selecting Lists, Payroll Item List from the menu bar. You can access the commands that you need to manage the entries in this list by clicking the Payroll Item button in the lower left corner of this list. To add a new payroll item, click the Payroll Item button in the lower left corner of the payroll item list, and then select the New command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the Add New Payroll Item window, simply answer the questions posed to you on each screen and click the Next button until you have set up the new item. Click the Finish button when you are done to add the item into the payroll item list.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.